Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 6, and if you're just joining us, check out the description below and watch the videos from the previous 5 days to get caught up. Today, we'll be talking about SAI asset reduction strategies. A couple days ago, we talked about income reduction strategies. Now let's see how we can affect our asset reduction. All right, so there are assets on the FAFSA that are considered accessible, and then there are assets that are considered non-accessible. They don't ask about these at all on the FAFSA. But keep in mind, if you have a student who is interested in attending a profile school, that is a different form that around 270 colleges require. They do ask for disclosure of assets in the non-accessible asset list on the FAFSA, just so you know. So, accessible assets include your savings accounts, checking accounts, mutual funds, CDs, money market funds, stocks and options, bonds, education savings plans such as 529s, real estate, including rentals and land contracts, and cash, just to name some of the accessible assets, which can also include other types of securities. So non-accessible assets include your primary residence, retirement plans, such as your 401k, ABLE accounts, which are similar to 529 plans, but for children with special needs, the value of life insurance, annuities, pension funds, and non-education IRAs. So we've been talking about the importance of planning, and as we look at the lists on the left and the right, then we can see that we may find some opportunities within our own financial picture to reposition assets from the accessible to the non-accessible column. But again, timely planning is key in accomplishing this. So let's just share a few of our asset reduction strategies. Well, we can move cash from savings and pay down our mortgage and build up our home equity since our primary residence is a non-accessible asset. We can spend down large account balances and pay down debt. Again, you're encouraged to talk with your financial advisor because you may choose not to pay down debt and you may choose to use your cash to go to work and do something else for you. Redirect savings into annuities or cash value life insurance. You can also contribute to a grandparent-owned 529 plan. Grandparents' 529s are not required for disclosure on the FAFSA. So you can see just from these few examples, there are some ways to legally and ethically reposition funds so that they don't count as assets on the FAFSA, thus increasing financial aid eligibility. So that concludes day 6. Make sure to like and share this with others and invite your friends and family to join us for the rest of this series, 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility as we count down to the FAFSA. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.